This is Dr. V. Maria Antoniate Martin, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, St. Joseph's College, Trichy. I am here to discuss the topic Programming Elements in PHP. In this video, I am going to discuss about here documents, variables, constants, if-else statement, and nested if. Let us discuss the concept of here documents. There is another way of displaying text that using PHP. Here documents. A here document is just some text inserted directly in a PHP page between two instances of the same token. The syntax is echo token, where token is the word that begins and ends the here document. That token is a word such as end, finish. Let us discuss the example for here documents. The code begins with open tag of PHP followed by echo end, which initiates the here document, followed by message statements and terminated with end to terminate the here document and close tag of PHP. In the output of the here document, the necessary statements are printed. Variables. Variable are containers for storing information. In the example, dollar symbol denotes a variable. Here, $x is assigned a value 5 and $y is assigned a value 6. $z equal to $x plus $y. Print the $z. The output is 11. Rules for PHP variables. A variable starts with the $sign followed by the name of the variable. A variable name must begin with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores A to Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. A variable name should not contain spaces. Variable names are case sensitive. For example, $small y and capital Y are two different variables. Working with variables. In this case, this script only displays the text "Welcome to PHP." This is static text. You can do some addition with the PHP addition operator plus to add number together the following. In the code, the echo statement contains text to be printed followed by the values 1, 5, 8 with addition operator plus. The output is sum of the given value. Storing data in variables. In PHP, you can assign data to variables. PHP Let's you store numbers and text to those variables as in the following examples. In the code, pi is a variable that is assigned and stored a value 3.14. Number of Jupiters is a variable that is assigned and stored a value 1. Name is a variable that is assigned and stored a value Maria. Let us discuss the concept of constants. You can also define value containers called constants. In PHP, constants can be defined using the define function, and their values can never be changed, nor can they be undefined. They differ from variables in that their names do not start with the $sign. Constants may only contain scalar values such as Boolean, integer, float, and string, not values such as arrays and objects. To define a constant, use the define function and include inside the parentheses the name you have chosen for the constant, followed by the value for the constant as shown the following. In the code, the define function declare the constant with the name my underscore constant, and it assigns the value 1995. Echo the constant. The output is 1995. Let us now discuss about the if-else statement. The if-else statement executes some code if a condition is true and another code if that condition is false. Syntax: if condition, code to be executed if condition is true, else code to be executed if condition is false. Here is an example for if-else statement. This program is used to determine and print the odd or even number. Let us now discuss about the nested if statement. The nested if statement executes different codes for more than two conditions. Syntax: if condition, code to be executed if this condition is true, else if condition, code to be executed if first condition is false and this condition is true, else code to be executed if all conditions are false. Here is an example for nested if statement. This is the example for biggest of three numbers. Declare three variables. The program has two if statements. The first if statement checks if A is greater than B. Inside the first if statement, there is another if statement which checks if A greater than C. This is the nested if. It checks if condition is big and prints A is big, else it prints C is big. Suppose that if else statement fails, it goes to another else if and checks if B greatest C, print B is big, otherwise print C is big. I hope you understood the various programming elements in PHP. Thank you.